In 2016, Pep Guardiola took charge of Manchester City, and the English Premier League has never been the same again. Man City has won about 36 major trophies in its history, and about half of them have been in the current Pep Guardiola era. In this drone video, we check out the Etihad Stadium, the home arena of Manchester City Football Club. The Etihad Stadium, originally known as the City of Manchester Stadium, was built for the 2002 Commonwealth Games. After the Games, it was converted into a football stadium and became the home of Manchester City in 2003. Over the years, Etihad Stadium has hosted numerous significant events, including the 2008 UEFA Cup final and matches during the 2015 Rugby World Cup. What about Premier League matches? In 2012, City needed a win at home to win the Premier League. Super Mario delivered the pass that Sergio Aguero put past QPR's keeper in injury time, securing the title in one of the most thrilling finishes in football history. In 2011, the Manchester Derby at the Etihad saw City woes United 6-1. This match was a key moment in their title-winning season and remains one of the most talked about derbies in Premier League history. City's Emirati owners have ensured that the team can secure talent from around the world, and as a result, the club continues to grow its global fan base off the back of its numerous achievements. While European players like Erling Haaland and Kevin De Bruyne have been delivering the goods for City in recent years, African players have in the past contributed to City's success on the pitch. They include Yaya and Kolo Toure from Ivory Coast, Riyad Mahrez, the Algerian, and Nigeria's own senior man, Kelechi Iheanacho. It's a new season, and City is already firing on all cylinders with 2 wins out of 2. And so we hope all citizens and football fans have enjoyed this drone tour of the Etihad. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more amazing content. Is Kevin De Bruyne the best Man City player of all time? Do let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching this drone video, and see you in the next one.
I said blue moon.